Alright, progress on the Malibu fuel pump install, and we wound up having to get a new hanger with the gauge sending unit on there. So hoses are coming off of this old one. The new one had the DW300 fuel pump, and Spectra makes this the hanger here with the sending unit. So one of the problems I ran into is, one, we had to solder some connections here for the pump because the plug that's supplied is for the stock pump, and that won't work. You got to use the DW connector here. And at the very bottom of the hanger, this was round right here, and this fuel sock they got, it won't clear that, especially not with the little rubber grommet they give you. So what I'm going to do here is probably put a piece of piano wire, a thin piece of wire, maybe a hose clamp around the whole pump, just so it doesn't flop around, and it should be good to go after that. So the next video will probably be us firing it up, hopefully.